If you were red today, that is completely your fault, and the sooner you take accountability for that, the sooner you'll become a profitable trader. Because first of all, if you're red, then that means that you are fighting trend, because look at this right here. Stop fighting trend. There were zero signs to go short. If you watched any of my previous videos, you know that all three criteria were met to go long. And even if you did have a short bias, it's okay to change your bias, to change your mind if your thesis becomes invalidated. So again, it's okay to be wrong. You just have to cut your losses quick or change your thesis quick. Like look, this is the Qs. I've been trading Qs lately, and this is SPY. Basically same thing. The only thing that was a little bit sus was around this area right here and maybe this area, but still we were trading above EMAs. So here are the three things that signal to me to go long today rather than short, and would also help me get really good entries and confirm my bias. So I'll keep this short and sweet. The first thing is a break and a close above or below key levels. Since our bias was bullish today, we want a key break above key levels, and that's exactly what we had. This is the pre-market high level right here. We got a break and close above it in the first 4 minutes of the market. That's pretty bullish. Second thing is that EMAs are bullish on multiple time frames. I use the 10-minute chart and the 2-minute chart. This blue line right here is my 9 EMA. This purple line right here is my 21 EMA. When 9 EMA is above the 21 EMA, that is bullish. When 9 is below the 21 EMA, that is bearish. As you can see, the 9 EMA was above the 21 EMA since pre-market. This is the 2-minute chart. You go over to the 10-minute chart, same thing. Blue line is above the purple line. So bullish on two different time frames. Now you look for entries. For entries, you go back to the 2-minute chart. You had this pullback right here and this pullback right here. Whether you're trading futures or you're trading options, if you're going long, you should be buying on red candle pullbacks into those EMAs we just talked about. That way you're going to be getting a good risk to reward ratio. The premiums are going to be on sale, but we're still following trend on the way up. Now this is just one of my strategies, one of my core strategies at least. If you're liking this type of content, please like this video. Please drop me a follow too. I post every single day. Okay, now here's an example of how you actually take this trade. Again, strong candle closes above pre-market high, above key levels. So you could either get in on this red candle right here if you're a little bit impatient, but if you did want to wait a little bit longer, you could have waited for this candle right here, this red candle pullback that did touch the 9 EMA right here. So buy in right on that candle pullback. You could mess with the stop loss too. You can lower it down if you want, as long as your first take profit area is at least 1.5 to 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. Let the trade play out. Hit that first take profit area right here. Again, that's where we scale at half your position. And here's the most important thing. You want to move your trailing stop loss up either to break even or just below break even. And then you hold the remaining contracts for another leg up. And then that's when you sell down to runners. So we got another leg up right here. I like to sell in the strength. So I think at this time, I only held like 2 contracts out of my 10 that I was holding. Yeah, pretty easy day. We were just riding above these EMAs. And again, guys, to repeat myself, there's no reason that you should have gone short. There were zero signals to go short today. Just follow trend, follow the EMAs. Do not try to fight it and go short just because, oh, price is really high right now. It has to reverse at some point. No. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want access to my group, my Discord, it's free. I trade live every single morning from market open for about 2 to 3 hours. And I give insight on my trades, my entries, my exits, why I'm taking that. If you want in on that, just DM me so I know you're a real person. And yeah, I'm just trying to get good people in the community. So let me know. Thanks for watching the video.